That's top story number one.
This one, this is a fascinating concept here. This from MIT Sloan, and they're talking about false positives, false negatives when it comes to evaluating new technology like the AI stuff. So let's take if you have a fraud detection tool using machine language and artificial intelligence, and when people are building the business case on why we need to bring this technology in, they generally look at it like, look how much more efficient it's going to make us. And they're not looking at, but what happens if it automatically flags something as being potentially fraudulent? Like, let's say you're out overseas and your credit card transactions denied because it incorrectly created a false, in this case, a false positive. It assumed it was looking for fraud. It flagged your transaction as fraud and turned out not to be. Or it could do the other way around. And a good example, this is in the ATS world. We're always evaluating how much we can save by having the ATS throw out a huge numbers of potential job seekers. But no one's asking the question, like, what does it cost our firm if we really let a good candidate not get through the ATS? What is that cost? And that should be factored into the cost benefit analysis of these new tools. The same thing is, what is the cost of letting a previously undetected recruiting error get all the way through for like an interview? And I would add to this, what's the opportunity cost that the firm loses out on some great person because their tools flagged all the wrong people to go through the process? And anyway,
Brent says he's glad that didn't happen to him at Papacitos at Dallas Fort Worth, to you as well. So